Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Look at the snow. It's a snowy day, okay? As you can see, it's snowing here in Philadelphia, alright? Snow is everywhere. I think and it's still coming down slowly, you know. I think it's, they said it's supposed to be 6 inches or something. So we'll see. Coming down slowly. But it was coming down heavier last night. Cause this is all overnight. Cause when I was going in like 7:30, there was no snow. But they said it was gonna start for like 12 overnight. Cause I heard the weather forecast. So it started at 12 overnight, and look at it. It's everywhere, guys. Snow, snow, snow. Ooh. Look at it, guys. Snow, snow, snow. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Okay, guys. Look at it. Snow, 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 snow. It's everywhere. I wonder if this is where my church is over there. I wonder if there's gonna be any church on Sunday. You know, I don't think so. But guys, this is what it looked like. Snow is on the trees. Snow is on the roof, on top of your car, everywhere. Okay, guys. Okay. And this is Philadelphia. Alright. Snow, snow, gas station over there, as you can see. Snow, snow, snow. Everywhere, everywhere. On the trees, on cars. It's just snow, snow, snow. Hope you enjoy my snowy day video. I'm heading to work, by the way. Heading to work, work, work. We have to work, work, work. No matter what, even if it's snow, you need the money. You got to get out and go work it. Look at this tree right here. Oh, it's snow, snow, snow. The whole side. Look at that bus coming down. It's snow, snow, snow. Oh, we're at a stoplight, guys. Snow, snow, snow.